Hello friends, welcome to Comprehension Guide. Today's writings topic is my favorite subject, history, given by Simita Datta for class 7 within 350 words. There are many subjects which we learn in school. Among them, history is my most favorite subject. I find this subject very interesting because it helps me to know about the rich past of my country. From the chapters on Ajanta and Ellora caves, we can get many details about the daily livelihood of the kings of that era. History tells us that our ancestors used to write everything on the rocks and the walls of the caves. From this subject, we come to know about the glory of the Mughal dynasty. Mughal dynasty was supposedly a long dynasty. King Akbar was very famous during those days. History tells us about the great legends like King Ashoka, Akbar, Alexander, Sher Shah and many others. History tells us about the extreme courageous woman Rani Lakshmi Bai. It reveals to us that she was the only lady who fought courageously against the British till the end. By studying history, we can know about the struggle for independence and the hardship that Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and others went through to free India from the tyranny of the British Empire. The subject of history helps me to know about the rich culture and the heritage of our ancestors and ancient India. We can know about different movements, revolutions and wars in the olden days by studying history. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata are two great epics of our country. After all, the knowledge of the past that I can gather from history makes it my most favorite subject.